Well, it's 11 o'clock, and we've been up since like 6. We were wanting to start this early. I've literally, ran to the house 4 times? You can do whatever, I don't care. My goal today is to finish Kristal's turbo kit. So, she pieced together the cold side and with couplers. So, all I'm going to do is take all the couplers out, mark everything, weld it. And then I got to finish weld the up pipe and wastegates. So, that'd be pretty cool to get that accomplished today. While Kristal's doing the hood exit, that's going to be sick. Sexy as ever. Oh. What's that behind you? No one's seen that in a while, huh? Well, we haven't really showed a whole lot of me doing the work, or us doing the work, but got the cold side piping welded up, blow valve welded on. All I gotta do is bead roll the ends, and it'll be done. We're gonna get it all black. Kristal's a big fan of black. I am too. But right now I'm doing wastegates. We're doing twin 50s. VS Racing, that's like my go-to. And we're gonna do one on each bend right here. I already got these parts made up, 2 of these. But they're already notched and they fit nice and everything. But I'm just gonna go ahead and take the turbo off, hot side off, weld those on, drill my hole. Lately I've been drilling my hole afterwards. I don't know why. I've been doing it. But sometimes at the last second you're like, oh crap, I wish I would move that. So I wait till it's completely welded. Wastegates are done. Yeah. Welded on.
Yep, guys.
Watch out, Sammy. Take the bumper off. I think it turned out pretty good, don't you, Lee?
Yeah.
They're like pretty straight with each other.
Turbo and
they don't hit nothing. Even with the tire at full lock, still have plenty of room.
yeah.
So the whole cold side's done. Oh, sorry, Lee. Did the old blow-off valve and the bumper trick.
Yeah.
It'll be nice and loud for all the pedestrians. I think it turned out pretty good.
Yeah, it did.
You happy with it, Lee?
Yep.
Whoosh, whoosh. It's been a long weekend.
Yeah.
Working on cars. Hasn't it, Lee? It's been a long weekend working on cars, hasn't it? It's been a good weekend.
Can I do this?
Kristal asked me what I wanted to do this weekend. I was like, man, it'd really be nice if we just hang out in the shop, just us family, and work on our own stuff. And that's what we did. So it was a good weekend.
Race car seat.
Yeah, there's a race car seat. Easily distracted person. But I think we got a decent amount accomplished. I'm very happy with that. We wanted to finish our turbo kit for months and months, and just, things happen. But I'm happy with it.
Me too.